everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, so you were asking about my Stanley, right?
Yeah, from where you got the Stanley?
Yeah, so a lot of people ask me about my Stanley bottle, so I thought, why don't I shoot a short video so that it will contain all the information.
Cool.
I always wanted a Stanley from the very start of my college life because I was influenced by all those reels which I was seeing on Instagram.
I was whitewashed.
Yeah, I was whitewashed basically. And then, and there's one more reason, because I'm someone who drinks a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I don't drink coffee or tea. Sometimes I do drink coffee, but
We all drink hydrogen peroxide.
yeah. So I drink a lot of water and I need a lot of water. And I don't like the concept of carrying water bottles until I saw this reel about Stanley.
Water has to carry me.
Yeah. So this Stanley is so aesthetic, and I wanted a pink one initially, but then I was like, maybe I should go for a lighter shade because it will go with all of my outfits. And when so during that time when I really wanted a Stanley, there were so many people in my college carrying Stanleys, and I was like, oh my god, I really need this, and I can't go for a fake one. I want the original one. That's my policy. So I was searching. I found all those fake websites which were selling Stanley for a very lower price, but I wanted something which is original from the Stanley website itself. So one of my friends, she was going to US to visit her sister. So at that time, all of my friends know that I want a Stanley.
How sweet.
Yeah. So initially, I asked my other friend who was in Australia. I told him that I will pay him when he come back to India, and then he can bring me a Stanley. So that didn't happen. And then this friend who was going to US, she told me that she's going to US to visit her sister, and as part of their family trip, so she can buy me a Stanley, but I obviously have to pay her. So what happened was that I checked the website.
So this is the product.
Yeah, this is the
she's
product.
talking about. This is the hyped product she's talking about.
Right. So in Stanley, when it comes to the water bottles, there are different sizes. I wanted this one. This is 30 O's. Okay, and there is 40
What
O's.
this is O's?
O's means I
O's,
think-
bows and
Yeah.
all. People, we
Actually,
drink in liters,
yeah.
not in ounces and ounces.
I don't know about the O's thing. I really don't. I think it's measurement. So then I watched a YouTube video saying that all the girls carry 30 O's and 40
Girls
O's.
drink in noses.
Yeah, 40 O's is really big. It's like very macho. So I wanted something which everyone carries. Basically, I'm a nobody. So I went to the website, Stanley website, and there is no disclaimer, there is no Stanley website for India. We have to go to the Stanley website and select the countries: US, Australia, and I think there will be other couple more countries. So I selected US because this particular girl was going to US, and then I checked and I found this bottle. And I think when we purchase it for the first time, we get 10% offer, 10% off.
That's nice.
Okay, and then maybe if there is any running offer, such as Christmas time or anything.
But wait, what's the
Yeah.
price of the bottle?
Yeah, so the price of the bottle on Stanley website would be anything from 3,500 to 3,700, including shipping. Okay, including shipping. So that's there. But in the reel, I put 3,000. It's because if we are getting any running offers and 10% offer, it can come up to 3,000. Okay, if you are really, really lucky. So I paid 3,700 rupees for this bottle to my friend. I Google paid her before she was going to US, and then I think after or before, I don't remember when. So yeah, and then her sister who was there ordered it to their home. Okay, and the Stanley bottle delivers within a week. Okay, so that's there, and then she sent me all those photos and everything. So this is the trick I used. This is not even a trick. This is the OG way to buy a Stanley. But then there are people like there are pages. There was this particular page. I don't think that page exists anymore. It was a makeup page where they buy makeup from anywhere abroad and then bring you. For example, Rode, or if there is any particular brands that you want to. So I texted them on Instagram and asked whether can you buy me a Stanley bottle along with a few makeup products, and I can pay you. So they said yeah, and they quoted the price 10,000 for the Stanley bottle, including importing charges. So if you're buying it from those pages which are importing, okay, which are importing, then you will have to,
I got that.
yeah, then you will have to
Take
pay,
the highway, people. Take the
yeah.
highway.
Then you will have to pay a really hefty amount. And do not trust all those pages which are saying that we are providing OG Stanley bottle, but it's not, you know.
So can I ask you
Yeah.
something which,
Yeah.
like a question somebody is asking, like has no idea about Stanley.
Yeah.
Like, why would you prefer a drink from a Stanley?
Yeah, first of all, I feel like this is a so to be honest, I feel like this is status symbol like iPhone. Okay, for so many people this is a status symbol. I feel like for me it was the aesthetic and obviously the status symbol.
Come,
and,
right.
yeah. And then the third would be I'm someone who drinks a lot of water. And it's okay, first of all, this is really heavy when you fill it with water. Okay.
No, this is quite heavy.
Yeah, this is quite
You
heavy.
don't need to go to gym, people. You just fill your water bottle. Okay.
This is quite heavy, and that's
Not
the
just heavy. It's
very heavy. It's very heavy when you fill it with water.
But then
So-
at least you drink your own water. I mean, it
Yeah.
sends you from your home.
Yeah, and disclaimer, this video is only for people who really wants to buy a Stanley bottle and they want to buy it in a very, you know, like the original amount. And if, you know, this video is helpful to them, yeah. But this video is not meant for people who wants to drink from any bottle. It's okay. Because I haven't said to my parents that I have purchased a Stanley, even though they say it, they don't know the real
They
cost
have
of
no
it.
clue
Yeah, they
how much money their daughter has.
They don't know, so that's my parents would never approve of me drinking from Stanley. And in,
My mother will chop me down and cook in the fridge.
Yeah.
Cook in the cooker.
in general, a lot of people carry Stanley, and I've seen it. And the pink one is also really cute, but I purchased this color because it goes with all aesthetic. So this is the product, okay? It will be written Stanley. You will also get the straw, and yeah, this will be like a translucent part.
But I
And
ask
this
you,
is-
does this work like a flask?
Yeah, it works like a flask. So if you put ice in this,
How long does the
Yeah.
heat and cold stay?
I think it stays more than 24 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, but I haven't
Impressive.
tried it, okay? I haven't tried it, and there'll be a Stanley symbol also here. So I haven't tried it, but what I used to do back in, you know, like when I was studying and back when I had exams, I used to fill it up with Mirinda or Coke, and then I used to, not everything, like half of it, and then I used to sip it, and it was so nice because people wouldn't know what's in there. So I was addicted to soft drinks. So yeah, that's the video about Stanley. So this is the answer to where I got my Stanley from, for how much money, and would I find it useful. And the pros and cons would be, if you're someone who drinks a lot of water, this is helpful. If you're someone who's worried about not worried, who likes aesthetic, then this is nice. If you're someone who's looking for a status symbol in products, then this is nice. Yeah, I'm a huge materialistic person, and I admit it. So yeah, and then if you're someone who wants to spend this much amount of money in a water bottle, invest in a good water bottle, then yeah.
But more importantly, you at least drink water
Yeah.
from your home.
Yeah,
You
true.
carry your own water. You don't have
True.
to
Yeah.
roam around, wander
Yeah.
about for water.
True,
You
true.
get your clean drinking water
Drinking
that
water.
you carry by yourself.
Yeah, this does the job of you know, like any plastic water bottle or any flask, but this is all about aesthetic, status, and all those. If you want this product kind of thing, so if you do not desire for this product, do not purchase it, because then you will not use it. And then the cons would be, if I tilt the water bottle, yeah, if I tilt the water bottle, this would spill. Even if it is closed, this would spill a little bit. So this is not something you can fill it and you can, you know, throw it and put it in your backpack. So yeah, so I feel like this video would be helpful to some of the people. So yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.